guys, what's up? Alana here. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach your knots and lighten them properly. I'm getting ready to make a new lace wig for one of my clients, and I thought that it'd be a great idea to come and show you guys how I lift the color out of my knots to make my frontals look more natural, like a natural scalp. So the hair and frontal that I'm using in today's video is from my website, niorihair.com. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, as well as a coupon code so you can save some coins on some good quality virgin hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix my bleach and developer. The ratio I'm going to use is a 1-to-1 ratio. And once it is a cake batter consistency, you don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. I'm just going to go ahead and spread that bleach mixture onto my frontal using a plastic butter knife. I prefer to use 30 volume developer, but you guys can really use anyone that you want. I just prefer 30 because I don't want my knots bleaching too fast. And if you guys would like a list of products, look down in the description box below. There will be a list of the products that I'm using in this video. And then I also have a link down there below where you guys can download a professional guide for recommended products to maintain your frontals, your lace wigs, and just all the professional products that I use to keep my wigs nice and maintained. Now, when I'm spreading, I'm not pressing down too hard, and I'm also not layering it on very thick. You want it to be nice and thin. So once I cover every inch of this frontal, I am going to let it sit for about 20 minutes or so. Just kind of gotta eyeball it. I would say about 20 minutes is the normal time that I allow mine to sit for. And once it's done, you just go ahead and rinse off the bleach. I lost the clip where I rinsed off the bleach, but really it was just honestly me rinsing the bleach off of the lace. And now I'm just going in with my purple shampoo, and I am going to let that sit for about 4 minutes. And what that purple shampoo is going to do is it's a toning shampoo that is going to take out any brassiness that was left behind by the bleach. If you guys want the exact products that I'm using in this video, check the description box down below. There will be links to everything that I'm using. Also, there will be a download link down below as well. That way you guys can download my free guide for professional recommended products to maintain your lace wigs. So I have everything in there from conditioner, shampoo, styling products, tools, and things like that. So right now what you guys see me doing is just rubbing conditioner through that frontal. I'm just really making sure to get the roots good. And I'm just going through and checking to make sure that all of my knots have been bleached and lifted to perfection. Look at that. Looks like a scalp on my hands. Perfect. So now I'm gonna just let my conditioner sit for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out with cool water. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave here today, and turn on your post notifications. And thumbs up this video to see more hair tutorials like these. Now that my frontal is dry, you guys can see what the bottom looks like. My knots are not super brassy or over bleached or anything like that. And when I part it, the parting space looks so natural. It's not orange, it's not yellow, and it looks like the scalp, which is the illusion that we're trying to get. So this is a complete success. I hope that you guys learned something today. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys are going to be making your own wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'm going to show you guys how to pluck your frontals. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you. Bye.